Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the conversation list density on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down to settings, scroll down again to the inbox customization section within the inbox category. Here you have the conversation list density feature, that's the third option. Tap on it and here you can choose from 3 views. Default view, here you can see the outline, then the second one is comfortable and the third one is the compact view. Select a view, tap on it and click on the OK button down below and it will be updated automatically. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.